everyone. My name is Abhishek Sahani, and I'm neither a YouTuber nor do I know how to make these videos. But recently, I bought a Thar Rox AX7 4x4. So I wanted to share my opinion about it because there are a lot of mixed opinions on the internet that I can see. Some people are praising it, some are defaming it, some have some issues, and some have another. So I wanted to let you know my opinion about this car. How does it feel? What it actually is? And to let you know, I have a couple of cars. I have been a car enthusiast. I have a BMW X5 M40i. That's the top of the line engine that a BMW has. I drive that on a regular basis, and I bought this car. So my aspirations, my apprehension towards this car are some other view. I have some other opinions. So I just wanted to let you know. I'll just show you across the car and we'll go about it. This is the car. This is a white color, pearl white, or what they call a Everest white color car. It's a 4x4 automatic AX7L. And as per Mahindra, this was the first of the cars that got delivered in Gurgaon. See, there are a lot of mixed opinions about this car that the people have on the net. And I genuinely wanted to share my thoughts, my views on the car, how about it, what it actually can do, and what it's actually all about. I'll take you inside the car and we'll talk about it. So far I have driven it for some 900 odd kilometers and I've had no issues so far. This has a little bouncy ride, I would rather say. Not very bouncy, but yes, on the undulation it turns out a bit, but otherwise it's a very good ride. I have had a couple of cars in the past. I had a Ford Endeavour, Fortuner. I kept Fortuner for 5 years almost, and my experience after owning all these vehicles is that this car is better than all those cars, and I really mean it. This is way better than those cars, with the tech, with the gimmicks, with the things that you get, with the features that you get in the car, and it drives very well. There is no issue in the drive of this car. A lot of people talking about the seats of the car, that white interiors tend to get dirty very soon. Yes, it gets dirty soon, but you can clean it. That's not a issue. हम नहाते भी तो रोज़ है ना, तो गाड़ी को साफ़ रखने में मुझे नहीं लगता कोई ऐसी परेशानी होनी चाहिए. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि हम रोज़ मिट्टी में बैठ के ही गाड़ी में बैठेंगे एंड द कार विल बी सो डर्टी. So if you clean it well and if you're a car enthusiast, you'll obviously take care of the car. The steering of the car is very light. It's an electric steering and it drives well. It's very easy to turn and go about it. It has got a lot of features that I am yet to explore, but because I haven't taken it for an off-road or something, but I'll definitely do. See, my comparison is I'm not comparing it with an X5 M40i or something. I'm just comparing it with a regular Thar SUV for the Indian market. And if we take that into consideration, this is a very good car. I come to my factory every day in the morning, and I had an issue with the car because I didn't want to take my X5 every day because the roads are broken. That's the story of several parts of the country. So I thought of buying an SUV, and the first thought was, okay, let's buy a Fortuner. But वो कार मैंने 5 साल रखी है और आज भी वो कार वैसी की वैसी ही मिल रही है, कोई चेंजेस नहीं, कोई अपग्रेड नहीं उस कार में. तो that's why I changed my mind and I thought कि okay, let's try some other car. So I bought this car and it turned out well. अच्छी गाड़ी है. कुछ फिट एंड फिनिशेस की महिंद्रा को कुछ करना चाहिए, जो कुछ चीज़ें मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी इस कार में. एक तो ये this loop. What is this? What is this? They should have something insulated within the doors. इसको ऐसे भी हम डोर को उतारेंगे तो है नहीं, because the power window controls on this door. So why this? This is something that I didn't like about this car. And rest, white interiors are good. कोई problem नहीं है. It's very good. It feels spacious. It's very airy in the car. It's very nice. The quality of the leather, the stitching is very good. ऐसा कुछ भी issue मुझे इस कार में नहीं लगा. What I would like to say about the tires, although these tires are good, but why see it? They could have used some other brand, because I've used some better brand in the car as well. Otherwise, tire drives well. अच्छी प्लश राइड तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्लश राइड तो नहीं है, फिर भी कार बहुत ज़्यादा प्लांटेड है, वैसा वो लगता नहीं है आपको कि वो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो जाएगी. इट्स वेरी मच इनटू योर कंट्रोल ऑल द टाइम दैट यू ड्राइव. फैमिली कार सिंस इट हैज़ अ 5/5 डोर टू इट एंड इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल. ऐसा नहीं है कि कार बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट है. द स्पेस इज़ गुड इनफ. माई किड्स ऑल्सो लाइक टू सिट इन द कार and there is no issue about it. They have an air conditioner in the back side as well, so the ventilation is pretty good. For this car, if you have a budget of 25-26 lakh rupees, 27 lakh rupees, then you can buy this top model. It's value for money. You get all the features that you can aspire in the car, and it's way better than any other 50 lakh segment car in the Indian market as of now. Conclude my opinion about this car. It's a very good ride, and one can definitely consider it to buy a car in a budget of under 50 lakh rupees car. The acoustic levels of the car are also very well contained. There is not enough noise in the car. If you close the door shuts with a proper thud, and the NVH levels in the car are pretty good. Mahindra has done a good job. Hats off Mahindra, and keep making such cars for the Indian market as well. And the best part, it's made in India, so we are proud to have one of these cars. Thank you so much.